Alrighty guys, I got some great news for you. For those of you who are T1 steam locomotive fans, the 2102 has just been reborn. I was just watching a couple videos of them doing the test runs on the 2102. So it doesn't have like its rating on it yet, but man oh man, that thing is a beauty. I mean, if they're going to bring that thing to Railfest, I sure hope they do. Because I would love to see a T1 operating in person. So in case if you guys are wondering, there are a couple other survivors. You know, there's the 2100, which I'm not sure how that locomotive is doing, but I'll keep you guys updated on that one. 2101, the future is uncertain. 2102 has been reborn. And the 2124 has been cosmetically restored and is currently on display at Steamtown in the Iron Horse Rambles. I think it's Iron Horse Rambles. Anyway, the 2124 was cosmetically restored and had all its rods put back on. So it's beautiful to see T1 being preserved. So anyway, 2102 has been reborn. So I'm probably going to try to get down that way on some weekends, see if I can see it run. Because I've always dreamed of seeing a T1 operate in person. I mean, we've seen videos of it. I'm sure we all have. But to see a 2102 make a comeback, big thumbs up to Reading and Northern Railroad for restoring a mighty beast. So 2102, so that's my other 2102 update for you as of today, which is April 10th, 2022. So anyway, I want to thank those rail fans and those steam locomotive preservationists and Reading, Blue Mountain, and Northern Railroad for putting all that time into restoring the 2102. So huge shout out to Reading, Blue Mountain, and Northern Railroad for bringing a mighty beast back once again, bringing a T1 that did the Iron Horse Rambles excursions. So Reading, Blue Mountain, and Northern, thank you very much for restoring one of my favorite steam locomotives of all time. I will definitely try to get down there to see the 2102 when I can. And also, huge shout out to Painted Horse Rail Productions for keeping me updated on those trains and also being a fellow plane spotter as well. So Painted Horse Rail Productions, thank you very much for that. So anyway, guys, I will do more update videos when they do more test runs on the 2102. But anyway, that is the Reading and Northern 2102 as of today, April 10th, 2022.